This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about milk pitchers, specifically this Metlux 12-ounce black stainless steel milk pitcher. It's 3 inches in diameter and 3.5 inches in height. It features, as you can see, a lovely matte black finish for a really chic look that blends seamlessly with your other coffee supplies. It will hold up to 12 ounces of liquid and features a lovely notched spout and handle for easy use and seamless pouring. Its stainless steel construction helps to maintain the temperature of milk when you're frothing, and it has a nice non-stick surface for optimum performance and easy cleanup. It also features a nice angle to that handle. You can see it kind of juts out at the top, and that's to help keep your hand away from the heat when you're steaming milk and reduce the risk of burns. It's a must-have for crafting lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, or any coffee or hot drink that calls for lovely steamed foamy frothy milk. It's a must-have for any coffee shop, cart, or establishment that serves gourmet coffees, or just for use at home to upgrade your own morning coffee routine.